So, beams that used to look like that have all been repaired upstairs. And that is the continuous shot from unfinished to finished all the way back to the backlog wall. So, other than after Casey and Alan get done painting the drywall, there shouldn't be much more touch up here. So there's where the storage unit was, and now it has all been stained. As well as the undersides. This damn phone jumps in and out of focus and color, so. But you get the idea. Casey's starting to put the particle board down to flatten out the flooring so we can put the flooring in. But we have completed the nook area. Got all the wood done in here. So now he has come in and done the texture on the walls, so he just needs to sand it and he can paint it. You can see the texture. So, last but not least is the bathroom, which there's not much lighting in here, so I don't know what this camera will or will not show, but all of the beams are done in here too. You just can't see them. Had to redo all of them because they were just tied in too much, so I just resurfaced the whole damn thing. Rewood grained it. Turned out pretty good. Onward and upward.